Hi, Mark Reedy here. Real quickly, I want to show you how to set the odometer and hours meter thresholds so that you don't accidentally enter in something that's much higher than it should have been and causing triggering a bunch of like loop services and stuff. So you go over here to Tools, Preferences, go to the Odometer and Hours tab, and you'll see here we have these thresholds. So it comes default as 5,000 for the odometer and 200 for the hours meter. And this is per computer, so anywhere TATEMS is installed, it can be a different setting for each computer. So I'm going to click OK there, and then we're going to go to Update Odometer and Hours, and we'll show you how this works. I'm going to click on View All so I can get the last highest odometer reading. I'm just going to copy this, put this down below. I'm just going to increase it by 5,001. So we're going to make this, we can make it 7. And I'm going to hit Tab there. And we see that we get the warning message. So if I say no to that, it'll undo it. So if I go ahead and enter that back in there again. And if I say yes, it allows me to enter it in there. And so it works the same way on the hours meter. And the other thing is you can actually put in duplicates if you want to. If your equipment is idle for a period of time, you can put in another duplicate amount in there, and it'll ask you if that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in the same thing here. Tells me it's a duplicate meter reading. If I say yes, that's okay, then it'll allow me to enter it in there. If I say no, like if I accidentally entered in the same thing and I don't want it to be duplicated, I can say no and it will undo it, just the way the threshold works. All right, hopefully that helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.